But am I gonna?
What are you doing? Stop!
I'll stop.
No, you rapist! Stop! No means no. No means no. No means no.
You already signed the partnership, man.
Good.
You already signed it.
I already signed the waiver. Yeah, I know.
Massage Jimmy ain't got nothing on this.
Who says this is a massage?
Greg?
Oh, I missed those bumps! Oh, the pain! Oh, I'm a tough guy. Oh, shit. I'm sweating. Oh, shit.
There you go.
Oh, those IT bands needed some love, huh? Holy smokes, that was rough.
Later, still looking at this spot. Yeah, you got you sweating.
Oh,
That was intense.
broke an instant sweat.
That was intense.
Pop them up.
Oh.
Alright, hands under your thighs. Okay. Suck your stomach into your spine.
Okay, my hands under my thighs. For my side.
Deep breath in and blow it out.
Oh. There we go.
Alright, flip over, let's stretch it.
Oh.
I can't. So, yeah. I'm trying to figure out if I want to do Ari or Vidara. They're right next to each other, but.
Ari.
You think you're an Aria?
No, I'm in New York.
Oh, okay.
I wish I was an Ari. I like Ari.
Yeah, Ari's way better. I like when you walk in and the screens are. And those dance moves. It's gonna be the new viral dance move right here about the karate hottie. And that is a Fortnite dance. Alright, lay back. Alright. Now good there.
That's better.
Yeah, not so much pressure, right? Yeah.
You see, like, it looks like there's like an actual.
Yeah.
For moral and IT at this. Have you ever had a male say that to you before?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
I've heard just about everything. I thought it was good. The signing thing, it was good. Solid. My favorite was someone came. It's amazing as you guys cut, their muscles just kind of like easily, all the restrictions just melt away when you start working on them.
Good. Just want to test it.
Like when Diego said 153, it was just like everything just gave up in like a second. Every little injury he had is knocked out.
That's just because we're like so responsive.
That's good sign.
The muscles are super pliable when you're leaned down and dehydrated too, probably.
I'm definitely dehydrated today. It's their fault.
Why is that?
We're just going shot, like we went from pads at Jackson's with Winklejohn to drilling, and then straight to the dam on Wantabo, doing sprints,
Nice.
and then straight from there to Elevate.
I'm getting after it.
And I didn't have a water bottle, so when I got to Elevate, I was like, I need water so bad.
Somebody hype me.
You Coca-Cola?
All right, do a push.
Yeah.
Bench press. Push. And back down. Push. Super locked up right there.
We just did
It's never just the tip of it. Fucking lying. Do a push up. Back up. And down. And back up. And down. And down. And down. And down.
Oh, so it hurts that.
Down. And